In this video, I will show you how to make text letter manipulation with a free AI tool. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. After login with your email, you will see this page. Create. Here you can type your prompt. Type your name. Click on Create button. It did create job. Click on Images to preview. Copy your prompt. I will add this prompt in video description. Then paste your prompt. Type your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this images, simply click on Download here. Copy your next prompt.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video.